Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to add a time-based scene in the Casambi app. Let's get started. Tap on Edit in the top right corner of your screen, and then select the plus icon in the top left. Now select Add a time-based scene from the list. The purpose of a time-based scene is to activate basic scenes at certain times, on specific days. If you are having trouble creating scenes, refer to our video titled, Adding a Scene. In this video we will be using 3 different scenes, to optimize the lighting in an office for the time of day. To set the time of activation, tap on the uppermost tab. We'll set the scene to activate at 8 a.m. on workdays. Please note that if your location is not enabled in the app, you will not be given the sunrise and sunset options. Now tap on Done in the top right. If you tap on the second tab of the condition, you can set the fade in for the scenes to be activated. Now let's add the scenes to be activated at these times. We'll have our luminaires turn on with a warm light. Now we're going to set our lights to change to a whiter light, at 11 a.m. Great. Now let's have the lights turn off at 5 p.m. To do this we'll add another condition. Done. Let's go ahead and name our time-based scene. The hidden option simply hides your scene from view on the scenes page. Use the color chart to change the background color of your icon. Once you're happy with your selections, tap on Done in the top right. To turn your time-based scene on and off, tap once on the icon. To edit the settings, double tap. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.